Hi everyone, this is Akash from PNP, and today I'll show you how to install an OpenAI sort of a model on your Ugreen NAS. This will be a totally local model. No data will be sent anywhere. You will not have any subscription cost, nothing. You don't even need a GPU. It will run reasonably fast on your CPU, and you can experiment around with different models. We are going to use two things for this. We'll install Ollama and we'll install Open WebUI. Ollama is your LLM manager, you might call it. This will download your LLM model. You can choose from various LLM models, right from 1 billion to 3 billion to 7 billion to 14 billion models, whatever your NAS is capable of. It will then serve an API which Open WebUI will pick up and serve to you, right? Going to be very easy. You will be done in 2 minutes. This is the file we are going to use. We will use Docker Compose. Copy this and let me show you what this is. There are two services, as I said. One is Ollama, one is Open WebUI. For both we have used the official images. This is the image that you see on Open WebUI's page. We have used official images, container name, restart policy. One port we have redirected for Ollama, one port we have redirected for Open WebUI. I have created two folders here. One to hold Ollama data, one to hold Open Web data, and if you look at the properties, this path is what I have given here. So this is mounted on root Ollama, so that Ollama can have a persistent directory to save the data to, and same goes for Open WebUI. This is it, just a 20-line file. So copy this. Let's go to your Docker app, click on container, sorry, not container, click on project, and we'll create a new project, and we give the YAML file, click on deploy and wait. Alright, so this is created. Now if you remember, we are going to access Open WebUI on the port 3000, right? So let's do that. All right, it says get started. You have to first create a username and password. Let's create the admin account and you're logged in. All right, this interface looks very much like ChatGPT, but we have not yet integrated in this our Ollama. So we click on your name, go to admin panel, go to settings and connection, and here this is a problem. We have to change it to Ollama on 11434. Verify the connection. Yes, connection is verified. Save it. Okay, go to new chat. I first have to use a model. I will download Tiny Llama. Pull Tiny Llama from, okay, this is downloading. Almost done. Successfully downloaded. All right, now we can select a model. It shows you 1 billion model, and then ask it anything. Yep, there you have it. Ask it anything. This is a model that is a 1 billion model. So this has got 1 billion parameters, but there are many models. You have Llama 3, Llama 2, many models. You can just go to Ollama's website, choose the name of the model that you want, and then search it here, download it, and then experiment around with that. That's all it takes to run your own OpenAI sort of a model on your Ugreen NAS. And remember, this is running on CPU. We didn't have a GPU, so you can't have long code generation, for example, on this, but this works. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask them in the comment box, and I always reply. Thank you.